The topic of today's video is how to outline text inside DaVinci Resolve. So I've just dropped a random text here and I'm on the edit page. I'm not going to change the title, but obviously you would. So here on the inspector side, you would change your fonts and colors and all that jazz. However, when you are done there, you want to go to shading. Now here you will see it's set to white solid full, number 1. You want to switch to number 2, and that'll be an outline. So that's a red outline, and we're going to enable that. So now you can see you've got your outline sorted. Perfect. What we want to do now is scroll a little further down from the properties, and you can see the color there. So you can change the color to pretty much anything you want. We'll leave it at red though. And then there's tons of other customization options, but the big one for this would be thickness, so we can actually see that outline. And then you have other adjustment options here, changing the line style, outside lines only. And then if we jump into number 3, we can put a nice shadow on that outline. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.